Wala tayong kahit Nebonebo Nakoina Java ngayon panan Hope Radio FM 89. Wala tarana kanga ya bonbian musmetam ki ako bian ka roy tapem inanunde nga po ngayo patong ko itsehini ako bian ka pupu ambra ki bian kitong ko mane ako bian ka katawroy ko mind ko ni biam ki ni kaya makuri ngayari mende tapan ko ngoram ne yai dadi meto ana pang kanen data na koron kameruru akim ne kanwan na ordinary ne ibu kini kanya kanwan nam kai nga po ngayo Meuringes mende meto ana pen ngaki na ko inanun tiawa ni Mamaten nano ngayaren kana ko to pa yai Mamaten nano me ako tangira ni kanong raya kin na inanun te nga po ngayo kitawam ka tikeroi ya ko guren kanen busmay ko komen singwe ako de meto ni kakai tarayo nungongora ra dikin nam radio ongkwe ako tapi nungongora me yo ni biom ni kaya am tapo ni magore nanun te nga po ngay taripon na ko yo nang nampan taripon na isuwa wawa kya wawa to wana ay keten nga kya pa ya katanga na pena ko im menam tapo ni kongora me yay
Nato
Waratain kai wabi mene mewa de minisi minti awa wanua yon banan Hope Radio FM 89. Ya kawasin kani de meme de nano re tangira kina kona bugin te inga bonga yo. O de meme de nano ayo ya rog meirun ro days astau. O tau de kan de meme de nano ayo. Kuna Mauri. Kota yo kana bani katanga meme de nano ta kuna re kono kini ngai. Pandang buni karawai ni veni oni yang waya. Me yo na ubuya yo. Kurang darapa. Ro days menam ta pana ko ngora me yai. O panahon ni kaka Mauri ko meni panahon Hope Radio FM 89 kuna Mauri ayon kan ni meme den nanom aro ko tangi ni kan ngoraya kinno ni kan ka meu ko ni yang moya menna meyon nam buya ina non te nga po ngayo ngayari meyon nam buya o me non de studio meyon ko ro tarawa me kai kata uroi ko tenang katanga
Kukira ye Sinokren na kaya sa kameo. Ayaw nga yung kinasarita kate. Alis sa santan na ko, kita na suara. Mesinora na tangira suara, garaka ta, mura na ko ilang. Iti, karabura po yung metaruin na nora. Sinakaukin na nga yung metaruan na nora. Dami ka ito ang taraya. Ita ko na tiya, noray. Iti, metanda metaruan karabura po. Aliyang mo pa na. Ikaw ka na na, ba nalilong na. Sinakin na ngay, ayoto ko na na yun tinakoy na. Sinakin na ngay, tinilirin eh, ay naroon tayo.
Pagponi bebete ko Yesu kay nako mayo kingay. Pagponi bebete ko Yesu kay nako mayo kingay.
Warang kaya ko tayo meto nangongoray dari kinam radio nanon tayo nga po ngayon. Terineri emene nanon tayo mayak kaya koraki. Ayan ko nang ano sa ngora. Ya wasira ni karo ko ilan narata inka ya puni tera roi tia vavanuma. Mauri nga semunti meto ana pero nga kina ko nanon tia wan Mamaten nano. Ayan kana ko ta ko pa. Yay Mamaten nano kito am katikiro ya ko tangiria ni kanikana ko. Inanon tayo nga po ngay. Iyon pa nan Hope Radio FM 89. Tayo ta para ke ya ko kuring kada ni busmay ko. Yon ang nampan tarapon na reisuwa wawakia o watawana aketen wakia ke comments yon the live.
take me safely home.
Yesu, otante kandarana ekamewa Yesu arunana noango anakoi kianene akitaura kina me arunana pepeire pena metintikai ukina upure
Jesus said to his children, come to me.
Come to me.
There is plenty inviting you and me to his home.
Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way. Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way. Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way. Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way.
It's going to rain. You gather everything. It's going to rain. You gather everything. You gather everything. Come and enter the boat. And it moves 2 by 2. And the people in the world. And God told Noah to gather everything. To gather everything in the boat.
Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way. Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way.
Jesus said to his children, come to me.
Come to me.
There is plenty of room for all of you.
All of you.
Do not wait any longer. Come today.
Come right now.
He's inviting you and me to his home.
Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way. Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way. Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way. Come this way. Come inside. Come inside. Come this way. Come inside. Come this way.
Orangnya ko demeto nongongora dari kinam reiri nonen te inga pongai. Te bime wanu ari ki deminis mangka ya mga po tse avar waiwa. Kwa ki mama ninga spon demeto ana ben ngakina ko nonen tse wani memeden nano. Me ana to kin kan namma wani memeden nano. Tse avar roir waiwa. Ngayeren kan ko to ba yei memeden nano. Ako tangira ni kan nongora ya kinna po pen to kayo ni peom ni kaya amta wani makuri nonen te inga pongayo. Kito ko ben nongora me yan me ngam raw ayo amtai. Kwa si tarepon na ben ako yon nang nampan tarepon ne isuwa wo akia o wato wana ake den ma ake komenti yon de live ngia ko tabe ni kakai tara yon ngongora men nam tabo ani ko ngongora me yai
chosen few. Hey, what's she gonna find? Will your heart be waiting? Or feel the gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon. Hey, what's she gonna do when the Lord comes back for his chosen few? Hey, what's she gonna find? Will your heart be waiting? Or feel the gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon. Can you see the clock, how it ticks away? In a blink of an eye, it's a judgment day. There's a great reward, or it's time to pay. Better make up your mind, he could be on his way. Hey, what's she gonna do when the Lord comes back for his chosen few? Hey, what's she gonna find? Will your heart be waiting? Or feel the gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon. From the book of life, will your name be read? Will your soul be happy or your heart feel dread? There's a straight and narrow path of sin. Well, the time's running out, so I'll ask you again. Hey, what's she gonna do when the Lord comes back for his chosen few? Hey, what's she gonna find? Will your heart be waiting? Or feel the gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon. Hey, what's she gonna do when the Lord comes back for his chosen few? Hey, what's she gonna find? Will your heart be waiting? Or feel the gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon. Hey, what's she gonna do when the Lord comes back for his chosen few? Hey, what's she gonna find? Will your heart be waiting? Or feel the gloom? Are you gonna be ready?
Ora tanga ye bun si de buina riki de minis men kayo mga po tse avar waiwa. Me ayo na bang kanete me meten nano are tangira kina kona ibukin te nga po ngayo. O te me meten nano ayo yero me ru nigeri ni me ariti eta. O ta ko te kan de me meten nano ayo. Kono me ori de me meten nano. Ko ta yo kana pani katanga te kunare ikai nano ikong kai. Pakaunga kira. Kauringa kira paspun kai nano yente bunga koraki. Korapa o te kiroi me kan. O na me ori ko ma me ariti eta inanon te nga po nga mai torotoro ayo me yon korobo tarawa kono meuri ayon kan me meten nano ma ponnes spun kai nano yan taina ko nano meura pena kairi ra nano te pung to wana me to wana ayere sa ngoraki na kon a me meten nano
just a quiet little town. Around noon there was the sin. It was time to rest a moment from the daily old routine. Saw the people started staring, a commotion filled the air. Something shook that little town, you could hear it everywhere. There's something going on at the well, at the well. She drank from living water is a story all would tell. He told her all she ever did, so won't you come and see? Oh, is this not the Christ, this man of Galilee? There's something going on at the well. So they went out of the city, they came to meet the Lord. Many found the living water, giving life forevermore. So they asked him, will you tarry? And for 2 days Jesus stayed. When they heard what Jesus said, like the woman they were saved, like the woman they were saved. There's something going on at the well, at the well. She drank from living water is the story all will tell. He told her all she ever did, so won't you come and see? Oh, is this not the Christ, this man of Galilee? There's something going on, something going on. There's something going on at the well, at the well. She drank from living water is the story all would tell. He told her all she ever did, so won't you come and see? Oh, is this not the Christ, this man of Galilee? There's something going on at the well. Oh, won't you come and see this Christ of Calvary? There's something going on at the well, at the well, at the well.
Warata ingai ay bonsi ya wari kite minis mengai ya mga po tia warwaiwa. Inano ni meaura awana boni beni mai sara sisiraki. Ay kaskade inano narakanta ninga. Bayaran kasi meau. On kanaro na basa mga met tirai minte met. O yaran kaya kanga yo yaran kaya kite pa yo. Merawa ko te meto ngongorai dari kinam derio. Apon rangi besa sisiraki ni meaura yo pasti nang kanu to pasti nang kan meata. Bayaran kaya kanga yo kanga meraw kaya kaki na rasira kay kisimeni nanu nanti ngapo ngayo bayaran kay simeyaw on kanaro na basta mga meti tiray minte meti ponsi tia sa na kunani kaya kaya rasira kay ni kapeni ake stay meto ni kateyo ni yango yana nanu meyaura inanun tabong to wana metawana. warang kia ko te meto nang ngorai dari kinam rere nanu te ngapo ngayo arata inka ya bone po roi te avar waiwa wara naron na resasan mama ne vege me mainan te avar roi waiwa ay na toki kan wan na mawan me meten nanu me yero ne kanga ya kitoki nanon waki me angami me apon neste te akaki ari ge toki ne bahani katene ayaren te dai yon kan te songora aki abasa mangaru kona ben toki na kan wan na rawan me meten nanu nanon te ngapo ngai ayari mangata pe kana pe panaun karapako ibukin namta yo me meten nanum are sasa nu so ne po yeswara inanun tamerwa na mai turun de ngapo ngayo ongwene to kwaki ya kiri kam tani kana kwa me meten nanu pa ko spa ni kos ke ko pe ni mama ni ngana kwa ni me meta ro kwa kira ro me ke sa mga pun guys po ntia ro te bi me wo me kunam are e me mete yai nanom